This video is part 12 on a series for swapping an engine on a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. I'm about to put the intake manifold back in after a fiasco of fixing the intake bolts, which is in part 11. So what I've done here is according to the internet, or there's a lot of videos on the internet about the knock sensors. The knock sensors are down inside holes here with a plastic cover, and apparently the plastic cover is insufficient, so they say you need to put silicone or build a silicone dam around it, but I decided to seal it up with silicone. So I've got black silicone RTV around the perimeter of this black cover on both ends. So it's been there about 3 hours drying. Hopefully I'll do it. And then I took the knock sensor wire and ran it up here and hooked it on that coat hanger, because the intake will cover over the knock sensor right about there. And I was trying to get out of the way so I could slip it underneath. So other than that, everything's good. You can see how the harness is pulled up out of the way by the coat hanger, and I'm about to slip it in underneath the or under the harness. This is the canister purge hose right here. It goes up in the intake, and I'll shoot another video to show you how that ends up. Fuel lines are right there. Harness is on this side. Harness on this side is connected the same way as that side. It's pretty easy. I'll do a video on how to do all that in a minute. So I just want to show you right before the intake goes back on. I also pull the tape off the intake runner. That's the last thing you should do. These need to be covered up to keep debris and dust out of there. And I blew the top of the engine off before I took the the duct tape off. So the intake's about to go on, and I'll do another video when it's on, and I'll show you how to connect the harness up.